Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to work on the C blues scale. C, E flat, F, G, B flat, up to C. And in there we're going to put an F sharp to give it tension, or a G flat, whatever you want to call it. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to slide off that note onto the F or onto the G, and you can see it gives us quite a nice bluesy sound, especially when it's doubled up with another note like C or okay. And then what we want to do is we want to put a little bit of bounce on it. Some notes loud, some notes quiet. Okay, so from that we're going to put some bass notes in. Now we could do C, I'm going to do this down an octave, but C, B flat, A flat, G. And the next thing we can do is we can maybe look at a few chords. So C minor 7, C, E flat, G, B flat, D minor 7, D, F, A, C, E flat major 7, E flat, G, B flat, D,